so I am not doing the traditional Thanksgiving meal this year. This year I'm making turkey chicken dumplings. And how I did that is I had a pot of chicken broth and I put in some chicken breast, boneless, and then I added a turkey leg and I let everything kind of break up in there. I'm actually doing 2 pots. This is a pot for my son and his family, and then I'm doing a pot for myself here. And everything's not quite broke up in my pot yet, but it's getting there. And then I add the dumplings. So this actually makes a really nice gravy on its own. So you don't even have to have the traditional separate gravy with it. And then I'm also doing a pot of what you guys call stuffing, I call dressing, because you have to dress it up, and we're gonna add it to it. So keep watching, more video footage coming up. All right, so for your dumplings, you are going to get these biscuits, but always get the flaky, only the flaky works. Don't get anything else, but you're gonna get the buttermilk biscuits, Grand's flaky. I usually get the big biscuits. I have like 3 of these, and then you're gonna roll them into balls. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Always have your cranberry. Even though you're not doing the traditional Thanksgiving, you still want to have that. And then I have my dressing going. You guys call it stuffing. So unfortunately the store was out of what I really wanted and needed. And I like the sage croutons, so I had to get the plain ones. So I got I'm doing a pan for myself and a pan for my son. So I got the plain one. And then I just went and got some more bread mix, but it was chicken. And then I'm gonna add to this. So you'll see how I dress it up. And then I do something a little different than my mom always did, and she loved my dressing. I add Jiffy corn mix. But I don't add that. I actually am gonna bake the Jiffy as if I was baking corn muffins, and then after it's done, I crush it up inside of this. You also have to have your onions and your bell pepper and kind of all that stuff. So I'm gonna show you how to dress the dressing up in just a little bit. But first we're gonna get to making the dumplings for our chicken turkey dumpling. So keep watching. It's on my cutting board. I rolled a bunch more out. So this is gonna be the second batch that's gonna go in. All right, you guys, a peek at the product, what it looks like. Turkey dumpling, yum yum. So I'm gonna get a spoon. I want you guys to look at the goodness. Look at that. So yummy to my tummy. So that's all. While that's simmering, I'm gonna let that simmer. It's basically cooked. I'm gonna start on the dressing. So keep watching. More video footage. Boiled eggs, and just cut them up in here. And then I added, of course, red onion and bell pepper. So that is what's in there so far. I'll show you the seasoning shortly. So in your pot of chicken and dumplings and chicken turkey dumplings, and take some meat out because you're gonna spread that through this as well. So that's gonna be in it. So make sure you do that. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'll show you what the finished result looks like. Everybody, here's the finished look with the turkey and chicken added. Now remember, it's not done yet. You gotta cook the Jiffy and crumble that up in it as well before you bake it, because that's gonna give you your sweet tea salt taste. But it is almost complete. So make sure you continue to watch this video, because I am gonna show you how to make a wonderful baked potato. Today is the day after Thanksgiving, and I am working on my day after Thanksgiving baked potato, as I promised you. So what you want to do first is just gather all your leftovers. Leftover stuffing is absolutely fabulous. That's actually what I'm going to do my baked potato with today. So I have some leftover stuffing. and cranberry. If you have some leftover cranberry, definitely use that. It's gonna make it fabulous. So I have some on this plate here. And then I have my baked potato baking. And as soon as it's done, I'm gonna put everything together and show you the finishing touches. So now whatever you wanna do to kind of touch up your leftover stuffing, or I call it dressing, you can do that. You can add some more onions, bell peppers, whatever you need to do to kind of dress it up a little bit. Otherwise, just heat it up and put it on your baked potato and maybe a little bit of gravy and you're all set. So anyway, keep watching. More video footage coming right up. Okay, you guys, here it is. The day after Thanksgiving baked potatoes. So you just cook your baked potato like you normally do. Heat up your stuffing, add a little spices to it if you want. Get your cranberry, stuff your baked potato with the stuffing, or dressing I should say. Add your cranberry and voila. Thanksgiving baked potato, or day after Thanksgiving baked potato I should say. Perfection.